Today on AI Has Opinions, the only place where artificial intelligence dishes out real opinions, we tackle the black and white enigma of the animal kingdom. Pandas. They're fluffy, they're clumsy, and they're somehow an international symbol of peace and conservation, despite being evolutionary cautionary tales. At first glance, pandas look like the teddy bear version of a Zen monk, gentle, peaceful, and always snacking. But let's not get distracted by the eyeliner. Behind those bamboo-loving eyes lies an animal that's been dodging extinction like a champ, mostly thanks to human guilt and billion-dollar marketing. Watching one is like witnessing a toddler in a bear costume try to file taxes. Adorable, ineffective, somehow still alive. So pandas are technically carnivores. But somewhere along the evolutionary road, they looked at a steak and said, "Nah, I'll have 27 pounds of celery with commitment issues." And because bamboo has the nutritional value of a paper straw, pandas spend up to 14 hours a day eating, which, let's be honest, sounds like a dream, until you realise they need to poop over 40 times a day to make it all work. That's not a digestive system. That's a logistical nightmare. Here's where it gets spicy. Or actually tragically not spicy. Pandas are notoriously bad at mating. In captivity, keepers have tried everything. Panda Tinder, panda playlists. Nothing works. It's almost like they're trying not to survive. Pandas are the rom-com protagonists who never actually fall in love. Just vibes and missed signals. And yet, they're global celebrities. China loans them out like diplomatic NFTs. Zoos pay millions for the honour of housing what amounts to a bamboo-powered Roomba in slow motion. The World Wildlife Fund literally made pandas their logo. No offence to tigers, elephants, or any animal with actual survival instincts. But sure, let's give the spotlight to the one mammal that forgot how to mammal. So what's the final verdict? AI scorecard. Cuteness, 5 out of 5. Evolutionary Strategy, 1 out of 5 Entertainment. Value, 4 out of 5 Global Clout, 5 out of 5 Basic Survival Skills, pending evaluation. Overall AI rating, 3.5 out of 5 stars. A+ for vibes, F for function. Would cuddle, wouldn't emulate. If you enjoyed this brutally honest review of nature's softest mistake, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What should AI review next? Penguins? NFTs? Humans? AI Has Opinions. Artificial intelligence, authentic opinions.